Hello and namaste to all my rising and shining twinkling stars of SSLC students. And I welcome you all to Arun Explains 5. And in this video, I have brought one of the most important questions that may asked in the upcoming science examination. I believe that most of the students whom I come across, they say that solving physics numericals are like biting bullets, like they're really tough. If you understand the basic concept, then you don't need to be bothered more. So I have brought one of the important question. Like I said, we'll solve it and let's see how does it work. If you really find this video very useful, you can share to the needy hands and also do comment me so that I can make more videos on the numericals. Let's get started. Step 1. Don't be in hurry when you are having the answer sheets. You need to read the question carefully. So what the question is given, if it is not clean and clear, make sure that you have to zoom up a little bit because I have a background like windows and all. Okay. So what is the question given here is, it is asked in preparatory 3, just go through it. Observe the diagram of below given electric circuit and find the total resistance. You need to find the total resistance, okay, and total current of the circuit. So they are merged the two questions in one question. Okay, so just see, this is one whole circuit diagram. So when we talk about this circuit diagram, guys, you need to check the circuit belongs to what type. So you need to understand there are two types of circuits. The one is the parallel connection and second one is the series connection. When we talk about the parallel connection, you know very well the formula, that is 1 divided by Rp equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 and so on. So if you ask me, sir, give me one example of that, then can I tell you, if you people are staying in an apartment, okay, there will be floors, right? First floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, it will be arranged in that sequence. I hope it's completely fine, right? When we talk about the series connection, guys, like I gave an example that you might have seen the train, like how exactly the train, one just beside, one like that. So it is like a series connection. Like I'll give you one more example that you might have seen that to the ancestor photos, especially in Karnataka. Okay, they buy the big garland of a light, like light in Sara in Kannada we say. So they'll just, put particular Sara on the photos. So that is in the series connection. I can give you an example. So let's get started. They had asked you is the total, find the total resistance they had asked you. So you guys need to just go with it. So you are comfortable with the circuit. By watching this circuit, you have identified the circuit belongs to the combination. Why? Because this one part is the parallel connection and the another part is what? The series connection. And the whole circuit is connected to the 9 voltage battery. And of course, it is the closed circuit. There will be a 1 mark question for upcoming examination that they will be asking you what is rheostat, whether it's a closed system or open system. You guys need to just be aware with that, okay? And before again start to the sum, I'm going to give you one more key point that everyone need to be understand that might ask in the examination. What is that exactly is? So the key points have written here. What is written here is when we talk about RP, RP is nothing but the parallel connection. In a parallel connection here, the voltage is same, but the current divides in the circuit. Okay. Now when we talk about the series connection, guys, the current is same in the whole circuit, but the voltage is what? Is the varies. Is that clear? I hope the concept is clear. Make sure that these key points are very important and you guys need to remember it. So let's get started. So the third step, what it is? First step, you understood the circuit. Second step, you have understood some of the key points that what to do, what not to do. And third step is nothing but you have to just write the given. What is given? In Kannada, we say datta. What all things they have given, like what all the values they have given, that you need to write. So I'm going to write it. The first one is the R1, that is 12 ohm. Okay. And second one is what? R2 is 8 ohm. And third one, R3 is what? 16 ohm. And fourth one, R4. Okay. This is R4. Again, this is in the series connection. Okay. So R4 is 3 ohm. So you have written this. And here you need to find the total resistance. Total resistance is RT equal to question mark. And again, the current they had asked you to find. So the current of the circuit you need to find. So these are the given points that you need to just write it before you solve the sums. Is that clear till this? It's completely clear? The first what I do is I'm going to write the formula for the parallel connection. That is 1 divided by Rp. Yeah, you can solve along with me. Okay, 1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by R2 plus 1 divided by R3. Now you guys need to substitute the given values. My bad, I have just erased it. I think you might have noted in your notebook. So 1 divided by R1. What is R1 here? 1 divided by 12 plus what is R2 here, guys? It is 1 divided by 8. And what is R3, guys? It is 1 divided by 16. I have erased it and henceforth I have repeated again these what you call the given values. So don't consider that it's going to be very lengthy, because once you understand the concept, then you can do n number of numericals. Okay, like I said, it's not going to be a biting bullets. Okay, now what you have to do is you need to remove the LCM of these part. Okay, I have come across with many people, they are still 10th standard and they don't know how to remove the LCM. So guys, please, so 12, 8 and 16, the LCM is 48. But how are we going to solve it? Okay, I'll just do it. Okay, just watch it. So 12 ka LCM kaisa rahega? Okay, so 12 falls under 2 stable. So I'll go with the 2. 2, 6 is 12 and 2, 3 is 6 and 3, 1 is 3. So what all the factors I've got? 2 into 2 into 3. And again, what is that? 8. So 2 4s are 2, 2s are 2, 1s are 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So how many factors I've got? 2 into 2 into 2. And again, when we talk about the 16, guys, so again 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are, again 2 2s are, again 2 1s are. So how many 2s you got here? The factors are 4 times of 2s. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll just pick the 2s here and then 3s here. So multiplying that is nothing but, so I'll just write it 2 into 2 into 3, again 2 into 2 into 2, and again 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Watch carefully here. Here I'll consider 2, here I'll consider again 2. Okay, here 3 is here only, I'll just consider, and 2 comes in the 2 times, so I'll just consider only 1 time, and the last one is 2. Now multiply these two numbers, guys. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and 24 2s are 48. I hope you got how to remove the LCM, guys. Thumbs up for that. Okay, I hope how to remove LCM, it's completely fine, and yeah, of course it will be very helpful to you in mathematics as well. So LCM of those numbers are nothing but 48, right? So I'm going to write it back again. What is exactly they have given, the values they have given. Okay, I'll just write it. 1 divided by 12 plus 1 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 16. So the what you call the LCM of that is nothing but the 48. Agree with me, guys? Yes. Now I need to write individually. 4 is 48. Now 8, 6 is 48. Now 16, 3 is 48. 16 3 is 48. This much is clear? Okay, now I have to add these numbers now. 4 6 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13 divided by 48. Now, okay, one thing you should remember, guys, here, it's very important that many people are just writing the answers like that, but you need to do the reciprocal. Like in Kannada, we say ulta. Okay, that you need to write. That is 48 divided by 13. Now you have to divide this, and the answer, I'll just write it. You know how to divide this, right? Yeah. So RP is going to be 3.69 ohms. Now we need to find the total resistance, like how many resistance are like present in the whole circuit. Like I said, it's a combination circuit, means we need to the whole value, for the parallel value, we need to add this 3 ohms, and that will be the total resistance value. Okay, till this it's clear? Okay. So I have written a little bit shortcut here. The total resistance of the circuit is RT equals to RP plus of what? The series connection value, that is 3, means R4. So I'm going to write RP is nothing but 3. So students, the total resistance, we got the value that is 6.69. So can I just keep this as only 6.69? You need to mention that, you have to write the units. If you don't write the units, then you'll lose the marks, that you should remember. Write the, what do you call, the units, and then next part is what? We need to find the current of the circuit. We need to find the current of the circuit. Electric current. Electric current, when you talk about the electric current, guys, I'll just write the formula. Current means I equals to V divided by R. Okay. Ohm's means Ohm's law formula. I can shuffle here and there if you want to find the resistance, if you find the voltage, if you find the current, that you can just go with it. So I need to find what is the V they have given here, guys. So the voltage they have given. So the voltage they have given here as a 9, and the total resistance that I have got as 6.69. See. So I have taken the formula that in order to find the electric current, I have used the formula I equals to V divided by R, and I need to find, I know the voltage throughout the circuit is 9 voltage, and the whole divided by, I have got to know that what is the total resistance, that is 6.69. So I have taken these values, and when I just divide 9 divided by 6.69 values, and I got the answer as 1.34, which is in the ampere. Why ampere, guys? Because they have asked the current. Okay, this whole part is completely clear.